guys, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I'm coming to you again. This is going to be another one of Steve's shorts. This would be a short video. That's why it's under the Steve Shorts heading. But I wanted to share this with you and just help you along with this. This is something where I get asked quite a bit that, insurance companies are very quick to send you a check right in the beginning, just right out. All of a sudden, or they're right there in the living room and they cut you a check and you think, wow, that's great. We got our money. Wonderful. More often than not, it's not going to be adequate to cover the damage that you've really received. But there's a certain philosophy out there that the mentality of the typical homeowner is that once I've taken that check, I've accepted it, and that means that everything's final, that there's nothing else that I can do. This money, I have to try to make it last to fix everything that's there. And it's not true at all. That is not true. That payment is what is known as an undisputed amount. It comes to you, not an issue. But that does not mean that there will not be anything else forthcoming. Now, normally there isn't. With that type of transaction, when you engage the services of a public adjuster, that changes the whole dynamics. That gives you the ability to have some leverage, somebody that's in your corner that knows how to fight and follow the procedure to make sure that you get paid on everything that you should. Insurance companies are not normally voluntarily throwing out lots of money. It just doesn't happen that way. So just remember, just because you received a check does not mean it's over. The fact that you did get a check is good, and that gives a public adjuster, believe it or not, a lot of ammunition to go forward to get more, because the insurance company is admitting to some level of responsibility. And that's what we want. The first dollars that the insurance company puts out are normally the most difficult. Once that's happened, and if you know how to go about and take the path to the rightful place, which of course is a nice, fair settlement, that's what public adjusters do. We follow that path, and we're able to get you more funds on that. Normally, that's overwhelmingly the high percentage. I can't say absolutely guaranteed every single time, but I can tell you that it's a very, very high percentage. So guys, remember, just because the insurance company gave you a check and you took it, you deposited it, you spent it, whatever you did, that does not mean the claim is over. Now, all it means is that they've admitted to some type of responsibility, and that would be in your best interest at that point, if you didn't engage the services before, to get somebody now to make sure that we can continue that momentum and get more funds to pay and cover, rebuild the damage that you've suffered during your loss. Guys, I hope that made some sense. I hope that that shed some light on an area that I know a lot of people think about all the time. This is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. If you liked what you heard, would you give me one of these? Would you please share this with others? Somebody else can benefit by watching this as well. And would you subscribe to my page? Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.